What's up, great people? How you doing? Welcome back to my channel. This is Flora Best, and I'm back with another video. But before we dive right into it, if this is your first time on this channel, you're very much welcome. Please consider subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to turn on your post notification bell. By so doing, you won't miss any of my videos. All right, guys, let's dive right into it. Today's video, I'll be putting us through on how to prepare a palatable jollof spaghetti. I'm so excited, guys. So quickly, here are the recipes for this great meal. As you can see, I have my fresh tomato here. The next item we'll be needing will be some red bell peppers, and of course I have my fresh chili pepper also here. And the next item will be some habanero pepper. I love this pepper so much because it's so hot. So the next item we'll be needing will be some green bell pepper, and the next item here will be purple onion. As you can see, I have one medium-sized purple onion, and the next item I'll be needing here will be some green beans. So I'll also be needing some carrots, and the next item I'll be needing also will be some garlic, fresh garlic, and the next item will be oil. I'll be using extra virgin olive oil for today's cooking, and of course my seasonings. So guys, here I have my pan on the heat. You can see I'm introducing water into the pan, and after that I'm adding salt. Sorry, I didn't show you guys where I added salt to the water, and you can see the water is boiling. So I'm introducing my spaghetti into the boiling water, and after which I'm going to cover this, allow it to boil for some 3-4 minutes, and after which I'm going to sieve it. All right, guys. So as you can see here, I have my pan, and I'm going to introduce my oil into the pan. Not much of oil I'll be using, just little. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to do almost immediately is to add my onion. Just let the oil heat up a bit. Here I'm adding my shredded onion, and also my chopped garlic. I love garlic so much. Most of my cooking, I add garlic to most of my cooking. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to do is to add. So I'm going to introduce the tomato to it. This is just tomato only. I have bell pepper here. I also have chili pepper and some habanero pepper blended together. So I'm adding it to the rest of the ingredients in the pot. So now I'm going to fry this until it gets dried. Please, when you're making your jollof spaghetti, be sure you fried your tomato pepper. Make sure you've dried. So meanwhile, I'm going to be adding my curry powder. There's my curry powder. And next I'll be adding my cubes. Like I said, I use no cubes. I don't know why I'm so much in love with no cubes, but you can use any cube of your choice. And next I'll be adding the salt. I'm not going to add much salt. The reason is because, as you can see, I parboiled my spag with some salt, and also I have stock, beef stock I'm going to be using for this. So that is the reason why I am not adding much salt. Okay guys, I've been frying this for, you can see, just take a look at it, see how it looks like. This is how it looks like. So this to tell you that it's dried. So I've been frying this now for the past 7 minutes. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to be doing is to add the stock, my stock to it. Here I have my beef stock, so I'm going to introduce the stock to it. Okay, wow. Wow, this is super nice, guys. This is super nice. Okay, so now that I've added the stock, I'm going to cover this now for like 2 minutes, then I'll come back to it. Okay, these 2 minutes now, so it's time for me to add my spaghetti to it. Wow, wow. Seems this pot is kind of small, but to go. Woo! Oh my gosh, guys, are you seeing what I'm seeing here? Okay, wow. Whoops. Wow, wow, wow. Just take a look at this, guys. Whoops. I can't wait to have a taste of this delicious spaghetti. So I'm just going to cover this for another 2 minutes. Hey guys, it's been 2 minutes now. Wow. Oh my God. Okay, let me quickly. Sorry guys, I didn't make a video on how I got this meat to this extent, but this is my beef, and I had to season the beef, then stir fried until it became dried. So I'm introducing my fried beef to it, and almost at the same time introducing my vegetables. So these are the vegetables. You can see the carrots, you can see my green beans, you can see my bell pepper, my green bell pepper. So I'm adding all this into my spaghetti. Remember I told you guys in my previous video that I don't like overcooking my vegetables. So adding this to it now, I'm going to just stir it a little bit, then break it down. So when you are eating your spaghetti, you'll be feeling the freshness. You will get the freshness of your vegetable. Wow. Alright guys, so this is how it's been prepared. This is your jollof spaghetti. We've come to the end of this video. Please don't forget to like this video. If you know you love what you're seeing, you like what I am doing, please just show me some love by clicking on the like button. And in case you've not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Why don't you just smash that red subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you always get notified when I upload a new video. Alright, this is the end of it. Thank you very much for watching. Thanks for your support. I love you guys. See ya in my next video. Bye.